Hey guys, I think we can get started, right? Guys, so let's get started. Great. Let's get started then, guys. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be discussing about affiliate marketing, right, to begin with. So guys, can y'all start off by giving me a few points of what y'all understand about affiliate marketing? Again, in the chat box itself, what I'm looking out for are keywords, just points that you all know about affiliate marketing, and then what we'll do is we'll start discussing them one by one. So can you all just give me, say, some points that you all, if you all know about affiliate marketing, can you all give me some points that you all have in mind about it? Okay, so I see Rikin has mentioned that she isn't pretty much aware of what affiliate marketing can do. Is there anyone else who has stuff that they can share with us? Anything else? The other guys like Ravendra, Sahib, Velidi, do you all have any ideas that you all can share about affiliate marketing? Okay, fair enough, guys. So what we'll do is, let me just take you all through this, right? Okay, Sahib has mentioned earning a commission. Fair enough. Okay. So let's do this, right? Let's take an example and actually take this. Let's start thinking about, or let's start looking at what affiliate marketing is all about. We'll take an example rather, guys. So in today's time, when you're looking at making any type of purchase, right, with the availability of the internet, I'm very sure that all of us are not going to be making spur of the moment choices, right? There is a lot of research that's involved in whatever purchase we are making. So let's take an example right now. Let's just say if we guys have to go and purchase a phone, what are some of the things that we'd be looking at? I'm certain, even with all of us, even with all of y'all as well, right? When you're making a purchase for a phone, some of the things that you guys would be looking at is figuring out what are the features that are available with a specific phone, the specifications of that phone, what are the reviews that people have given about a particular phone, what are the content that is available in the box when you're making a purchase of that phone, right? So in this case, guys, there are a very specific set of websites that I'm certain y'all guys would be going through or reviewing before making a purchase of your cell phone. So one of the websites I'm guessing which comes to mind. Oh, guys, can y'all tell me everything that I just discussed right now? Is there any specific website that y'all guys go to in order to do research on your cell phones? Is there any website, guys, that y'all refer to do any type of research on the phone that you're looking at purchasing? Rikin has mentioned GSM Arena. Perfect, guys. So even Jagdish is okay. Sahib has mentioned Smart Price. Jagdish has mentioned GSM Arena. Guys, so GSM Arena, I'm guessing, is something that's common, right? All of you all already know about it. If there's anyone who's looking at doing any type of comparison in terms of the features, in terms of understanding which phone they can go and purchase, a lot of people go ahead with GSM Arena, right? Smart Price, which Sahib has mentioned right now, is a place where you can go and figure out where you can get whatever product you're looking at purchasing at the best price possible. So in this case, guys, let's just take the example of GSM Arena, since a majority of you all guys already are aware of it. You go on GSM Arena, you look at a phone, say you're looking at a Nexus phone, and at the same time what happens is you understand that an iPhone, a specific model of an iPhone, also has the same type of specifications that you're looking out for, right? So you compare that with an iPhone. Finally, guys, after you've decided which phone you would like to purchase, I'm certain you all may have seen this towards the end of the website, where what it does is it gives you suggestions of which websites you can go and make that purchase from. So say, for example, let's just say we were looking at an Nexus phone and an iPhone, right? Afterwards, once we have decided that we actually want to go ahead with a Nexus phone, in this case, at the bottom of the page, you will see options or suggestions of websites from where you can purchase it from. So for example, they might say you can look at, this is the price that you can get at, say, a Flipkart, this is what you can get at, say, a Snapdeal, this is what is available at an Amazon. And then, guys, if you're interested in making this purchase, you would click on any of those websites. You will then be directed to that website. So for example, if I want to make the purchase from Flipkart, I will click on Flipkart. I will go to Flipkart's website, and then I will make the purchase from there. Guys, are you all aware of this? Is this something that you all have seen? Okay, perfect. So I see Rikin has mentioned that this has been noticed, right? So let me do one thing. Let me just try opening up this website for you guys. Just one moment, guys. Just give me a moment. I'll be opening up GSM Arena. I want to show you what I was talking about right now. Perfect. Great. Guys, so the website that I'm showing you right now is called pricepower.com. These guys are a price comparison website. So in this case, like GSM Arena, what's happening is here what you do is you come to compare the prices of certain type of tech related products that you're looking out for. So say, for instance, in this case, if you're looking at buying a mobile phone, and if you were doing the same thing where you were looking at a Nexus phone and an iPhone, and if you finally decided to go and purchase a Nexus phone, then in this case, what a price barber would do is you would select the Nexus phone, and as it mentions in the name of the website itself, it will give you a list of the different websites where you can get it at the lowest prices possible. Now, if you're interested in making a purchase, there will be a link. There will be a link which will take you to the website directly, and then you can make a purchase from there. Okay, Sahib has mentioned that he can't see my website. Sahib, I'm sorry, my computer. Sahib, everyone else has mentioned that they can see the computer, so I'm guessing it could be related to your internet connection, because everyone else is okay. Let me try doing this again. Let me again just turn this on for y'all, just in case if there's a problem on my side. 1 second. Okay, great. So Sav has mentioned that he can see it right now, so I'm continuing. So guys, now in this case, let me just take the same example that we were talking about, right? Let's just say if we were looking at purchasing that Nexus phone. So a Nexus 5 is what we're looking at. So in this case, what happens is the website gives you an idea of what is available with the phone. Okay, so you get information that you require with reference to the phone. So it mentions all the specifications, everything that you'd be researching and reviewing about the phone. And finally, guys, if you had to make the purchase that's required, then what it does is it gives you a list of stores, online stores, from where you all can actually make the purchase. So you can see Only Mobiles is on the top, Snapdeal's there, Amazon's there, and what it does is it lists it in a order where the online store that's offering it at the lowest price is visible at the higher position, and then from there it moves onwards, right? So let's just say in this case, guys, if you were interested in making this purchase, say from a Snapdeal, okay? So now what happens is when you click on Go to Store, guys, you'll see what will happen is the user is getting redirected from Price Baba to this website, which is Snapdeal. Oh, okay, guys. So in this case, now what's happening is a price. There you go, right? So we've come on Snapdeal's website. I thought we were still on the same one. So you're on Snapdeal websites. We've come here on Snapdeal's website. Now, if someone goes ahead and makes a purchase, what will happen is there's a commission that is paid out to Price Baba. In this entire example, guys, Price Baba is the affiliate and Snapdeal is the brand or merchant. So guys, these guys, people in an entire affiliate program are referred to by different names. So a Price Baba is called an affiliate or a publisher. Okay, why publisher is because they're actually publishing content about different brands or promoting different brands on their website, so which is why they're called a publisher. And a Snapdeal, guys, in this case is called a merchant or a brand. Why? Because they're the ones who are offering the product. So essentially what happens in this case is an affiliate does not have a product or a service that they are offering directly. What they do is they promote the products or services of any other brand or any other website which actually offers the product and delivers the product to the customer, to the end user. All these guys do is they actually educate the customer about the product or the service, and then what they do is they warm up the user to the sale, but the final sale happens always on the brand's website. So this is essentially how it works. This, guys, is what affiliate marketing is. There is still another part which needs to be touched on, which I will be talking about in terms of the commissions. But guys, did you all understand this much so far? Okay, Ricken has mentioned yes. A bunch of your other guys have also mentioned yes, right? So let me touch on some of the other important parts right now. So with reference to the commissions part, guys, now in this case, what would happen is, let me ask you all this question, guys. So with reference to commissions, now, the entire example that we took, what has happened is a user has gone onto Price Baba's website. From there, they moved on to Snapdeal's website. They've looked at a phone that they liked and they finally made the purchase. Guys, can you all tell me in this case, at what point in time is the commission paid to Price Baba by Snapdeal? Is it paid at the point where a user has moved from Price Baba's website to Snapdeal, when they've clicked on the link, or is there anything else that comes to mind? Can you all give me an idea about what works in this case. So Rikin has mentioned after the person has clicked on the link which moves the user from Price Barber to Snapdeal. Jagdish has mentioned after the sale. And any other guesses, guys, or anything that you all are aware about in this case? Again, the question basically is, when a user lands on Price Barber's website, finally figures out which merchant's website do they want to move to, when they click on the link, does Snapdeal incentivize Price Barber for that click that has happened? Or is it after the user has actually moved ahead and made a purchase? Okay, so guys, a majority of y'all have mentioned when a user actually clicks on the link and goes to the brand's website. Okay, guys, let me ask you all this right now. Okay, when a brand is actually looking at promoting their products or services, they make use of a variety of marketing channels to be able to do that. Now, every marketing channel, guys, it has their own advantages and it has its own method of functioning. Now, when you all say that this works on the fact where, you know, when a user actually clicks on a link and then moves onto the brand's website, then what you all are saying is, if in this case, if the brand has to incentivize the affiliate for a click, then guys, simple question would be, then can you all tell me what is the difference between pay-per-click advertising and affiliate marketing? If you have mentioned that a user is being, or if an affiliate is being incentivized for traffic that he is sending from their website to the merchant's website, then guys, can you all please tell me what's the difference between PPC advertising and affiliate marketing? Guys, did you all understand the question? Okay, Rikin, you've mentioned no. So okay. I'm just waiting for a few more suggestions by y'all guys. Just waiting to get a few more ideas from y'all guys. Okay, guys. So let me tell you all this, right? In this case, what is happening is Snapdeal pays Price Barber only when a sale occurs. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing channel. In this case, only when a purchase has been made, only then does a merchant pay the affiliate pays a commission for the sale or for the performance that has been delivered. So guys, in this case right now, this is exactly the difference between a pay-per-click advertising channel, which is something what a Google offers through AdWords, versus what an affiliate marketing is, right? So businesses, guys, I'm sure you may have understood this. A lot of businesses would prefer having to work on a performance-based model, because in this case, guys, you're not paying an incentive or a commission for just traffic which is coming to your website, which may convert or may not convert. What you're actually paying for is conversions based on what you decide is performance for your business, right? So in this case, you could either be paying out for a valid lead which is coming to your website, or you would be paying out for a valid sale which you receive on your website. So guys, this is the difference. I hope that's clear, guys. Is there anyone who has any questions so far? Okay. Just waiting for you all to tell me if you all have understood this much. Did this make sense, guys, to you all? Perfect. Okay, guys, this one more person who has just joined us. Dolly, you mentioned that you cannot hear me. Is that the case right now as well? Can you still not hear me? Can you still not hear me? Dolly, can you just confirm? Okay, guys. Okay, so guys, this is exactly how it works, right? This is how affiliate marketing works, guys. Essentially, a affiliate is promoting a different brand, and in this case, what happens is when a user, because of that promotional activity, moves from the affiliate's website to the brand's website and finally then makes a purchase, then in this case, or for that matter, guys, depending on the nature of the business, if the user also signs up as a lead on that brand's website, then in this case, guys, what will happen is the brand incentivizes the affiliate for either the lead or the sale that has come through. So this is affiliate marketing, and this is essentially how it works. So I will be giving you a little more details about how the links look, how tracking works and stuff, but this is ideally how it works, guys. Another very important thing for you all guys to understand is the type of campaigns that brands run when it comes to affiliate marketing. Okay, so there are essentially two very important type of campaigns that run well in affiliate marketing. That's your PPC, that's your So your paper lead campaigns or your paper sale campaigns. So it's also called CPS campaigns and CPL campaigns. So you have a cost per sale campaign and you have a cost per lead campaign. So guys, in the case of cost per sale, as it suggests, you would be paying your affiliate a commission for every sale that is coming through. And in a CPL campaign, guys, you're paying your affiliate for every lead that is coming through. Guys, very simple thing. I'm certain that you all already are aware of this. Which type of businesses, guys, do you think would be running an affiliate program on a cost per sale campaign? Okay, guys, Jagdish has mentioned e-commerce. Is there any other ideas that you all guys have? Okay, Rikin has mentioned retail brands. Okay, guys, as simple as that. Any type of e-commerce site would look at working on a cost per sale campaign. The reason why they're working on a cost per sale campaign is also simple enough, right? In this case, what happens is the average order value of the products on these type of websites they're quite low. I mean, when it comes to an affiliate actually deciding what type of programs they work with, first of all, understand this, guys. Affiliate programs are they're a lot more common in B2C based programs as compared to B2B. Now, the more simple reason as to why this happens is because B2C is a lot more simpler as compared to B2B. Now, when I say B2C, I'm talking about websites like a Flipkart, like an Amazon. In this case, guys, what would happen is when you go on the website to look at making a purchase, you don't have to really spend too much time over there. Once you've already, like for example, let's just say you're looking at making a purchase of a pair of slippers. In this case, the average order value of your pair of slippers is going to be anywhere between say 700, 800 to about say 1,200 to 1,500. In this case, the average order value is relatively lower. The amount of time that you're going to take to make that purchase is also going to be relatively lower. That user is not going to be spending time with the support of say a Flipkart or an Amazon to make such a purchase, right? In this case, the turnaround time for that purchase is quicker. Affiliates like working with these type of websites where once they've started promoting them, the product gets purchased immediately by the user and they get paid commissions immediately as well. So in this case, brands would benefit very well if they had to run on a CPS campaign. Why? Because they are incentivizing their affiliate for a sale that can happen easily. On the other hand, guys, in programs which involve B2B, or for that matter, any program which has a higher average order value, or which has a higher turnaround time, where a user would have to first interact with say some of the users of the business, with some of the representatives of the business. They need to understand more details about the business, and there will be a higher time before they can actually make that purchase. In this case, guys, businesses end up working on a CPL basis. Why? Because an affiliate does not want to wait for their commission. They don't want to wait for the company to actually convert the user and then them receiving commission on that. Because in any case, what can happen is either that user will convert, and if that user converts, it's going to take quite some time for that to happen. Or what could happen is in the entire process of conversion, at some point in time, maybe the user might not be interested and that affiliate loses out on a commission which was possible over there. So in this case, in order to make it look more potential for an affiliate to promote that brand, these brands then work on a CPL basis, which is per lead basis. So what they tell the affiliate is, for every lead that you generate, for every valid lead, guys, please understand that. A lead, first of all, you'll need to know, is someone who shows some type of interest in a type of product or service, okay, has the ability to be able to purchase that product. And then what they do is they go on a particular landing page of the merchant and they fill in their details over there. Details could be name, telephone number, email address, whatever the brand is asking for. So when a user actually fills in those details, that then becomes a valid lead. Only a valid lead is then paid for. Let me give you all an example. Why am I saying valid lead and stuff, right? So guys, when I was, at my previous stint, when we were running a affiliate campaign, which was on CPL, we were working with an affiliate network to run this lead campaign. Moving ahead, guys, I will be discussing what an affiliate network is, but bear with me for now. So we were running a lead campaign with an affiliate network. So in this case, guys, what happened was we were looking out for users who were interested in purchasing domain names and web hosting packages. For some of the guys who don't know what a domain name and a web hosting package is, guys, these are products and services that you will require in order to be able to set up your website and host it online. So these guys were running a lead campaign for us. So they were sending us leads that would be interested in purchasing domain names and web hosting packages. Now, when we started running the campaign, what we realized is we were getting a lot of people from tier 2, tier 3 cities, and that too, I mean, basically people who said that they were located in some gram panchayat, or some people who were running some dairy farm or something. These type of people who were coming in as leads. When we would contact those people to figure out if they actually genuinely filled up form details and stuff, we realized that those people were not even aware of it. So this is something, guys, that you need to be very careful about, because sometimes networks or affiliates can start even generating false or fake leads in order to be able to make money on it, right? So there needs to be some measures in place where you'll be able to track all of this. But this is something which is extremely important. You only pay out for a valid lead, and a valid lead is when you call the person, or whether a certain set of criteria are met. For example, is the person who has filled in the lead form, is the person, say, at a certain position in a company? Has he worked for, say, so many years in a company? Is he actually having an internet business, a business online? And at that point in time, if the person is considered valid, you pay out a amount for that lead which has been generated by the affiliate. Guys, any questions so far about a CPS campaign and a CPL campaign? CPS being a sale-based campaign, CPL being a lead campaign. Have you all understood this so far, guys? Just waiting for you all guys to just tell me if you all have understood this. Great, great, great. Guys, let me give you all an example of some websites that run on different type of campaigns. Okay, I'm certain you all guys are already aware of websites like, let's say, a Policy Bazaar. Okay, guys, in this case, what would happen is a user would go on a Policy Bazaar. They would look out, let's just say if they were looking out for an insurance policy, in this case, if they're looking at, say, renewing their car insurance policy, right? So what normally happens when you go on a Policy Bazaar is you put down details of the car that you're having, you put down details of your current insurance policy, you put down the value of your car, all the essential details that they ask for, and then what you do is you search for insurance policies that they recommend would be available at a lower rate. Now, guys, I'm sure if you all have actually gone through this practice, what it tells you at the end, after showing you some options, it will show you some options, right? And after it shows you those options, what it then does is it tells you that your information will be shared with some of these providers, just so that the right person can contact you with some good information, and then you can consider whether you would want to take up an insurance policy or no. Can you all tell me, guys, if you have actually experienced this, if you all have seen this? Okay. Ricken has mentioned not Policy Bazaar. Which one? Have you seen any other website? Oh, Ricken, are you saying that you haven't actually gone through Policy Bazaar? Okay, okay, fine, fine. So guys, just for the people who don't know about it, that's how it essentially works. Where you put in your details, and if in case after you've put in the information, what it does is gives you a certain set of recommendations, and then what it does is it tells you that your details will be shared with some of these banks so that they can contact you to explain more about their products and services. Guys, in this case, something like a Policy Bazaar, now in this case, what they do is once they share these lead details with, say, an ICICI bank or with an Axis bank, then the banks in this case pay a commission for every lead that comes to them. This is Policy Bazaar, guys, in this case is an affiliate that's working on a CPL model. Guys, let me now also show you all an example of some websites which are working on a per sale model, right? I'll show you all that as well. Okay. Guys, what I'll do is, let me show you all the Flipkart affiliate program. Guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm showing you how the affiliate program for a Flipkart looks right now. Okay, guys, again, you need to understand this. Any person can sign up as an affiliate. The brand that runs an affiliate program will never put up any type of fee or any type of joining fee or any type of charge for an affiliate to start up as an affiliate for that brand. Because you need to understand, the goal for a brand is to be able to hire as many, or to be able to get as many affiliates to be a part of their program as possible. Now, if you put up any type of joining fee, then it becomes very difficult for a affiliate to consider your program, right? So let me just show you how a Flipkart has done it. Guys, understand this, for any brand who's running an affiliate program, it's extremely important for them to put up details about their affiliate program on their website. It should be very simple, should be put down very simple over there, so that an affiliate understands for them to start up what are the steps that they need to follow. So guys, see, in this case, what a Flipkart saying is, you can sign up, become an affiliate with them. All you need to do is take their links and you promote it on your website or app. You drive traffic to Flipkart, where people come to Flipkart directly to make a purchase, and then you earn commissions when products are purchased. Guys, as simple as that, right? So let me just show you what are the commissions that they offer, just so that you have an idea of how do they pay out. So guys, these are an extensive list of all the categories which is available on Flipkart, right? So Flipkart, it's a marketplace, so you have a different set of categories over here, guys. So if you all see over here, just one moment, let me show you this part. Okay, they've given to the Flipkart desktop website, or they could be sending out a user to the mobile app of Flipkart. So in this case, the commissions that they're offering could differ. So let's take an example right now of this category, toys and school supplies. Guys, in this case, if an affiliate is driving a user onto the Flipkart, onto the desktop version of Flipkart, then for a new customer, that affiliate will be paid a 12% commission on the sale that has happened, and an existing customer, they'll be paid 8% commission on the sale that has happened. Similarly, if that affiliate drives a sale via the Flipkart mobile app, guys, and for a new customer, guys, they'll be paying out a 15% commission, and for an existing customer, they'll be paying a 12% commission. Guys, brands, they can set up their own type of commission structures, and essentially this entire process of setting up how you want your commission structure to look, how you want the entire thing to be presented in front of an affiliate, is decided by the brand itself, right? So in this case, guys, you will see Flipkart they've made it a little complicated, but they've still kept it easy to understand. What they've done is they followed a model where they're offering a separate commission for a new customer, and they're offering a separate commission for an existing customer. There are different brands that work on a very different type of cases, right? For example, Jabong. Guys, you know what a Jabong does is, Jabong has different type of options. The very basic option that they have, let me just show you this. Okay, guys, the very basic commission structure that Jabong follows over here is they pay out a 10% for each sale. So guys, in this case, when you say 10% for each sale, first of all, understand this, brands work in two different ways. I'm talking about more specifically brands that are working on a CPS campaign, that's a per sale campaign. Either they offer a percentage on every sale that has come through, or what they do is they offer a fixed flat amount for every sale that has come through. So either you could do this, you could say 10% of say 1,000 rupees. If the sale that came through was 1,000 rupees, I will offer you 10% of 1,000 rupees, you get a 100 rupee commission. Or what I will do is I will say that I'm going to pay you a fixed amount, a flat amount of say 100 rupees for any type of sale that you bring in. So if the product that has been purchased is 500 rupees, you'll still be paid a 100 rupee commission. Or if it's say 2,000 rupees, you'll still be paid a 100 rupee commission. So this is how brands work it out, right? Jabong on their website has said 10%, guys, but I'll tell you on one thing, Jabong does not keep it as simple as that. On the back end, on the back side of their affiliate program, depending on the type of affiliate they work with, if they want to offer special commissions to their affiliates, which a lot of brands can do, guys. You can offer, if you really, now, for example, you might be working with 10 affiliates. From those 10 affiliates, what happens is you have 2 or 3 very special affiliates, and you want to be able to offer them some really good commissions, but you will obviously keep some targets for them, right? So in this case, what a Jabong does is they've kept some targets. What they've said is, if, let's just say, the number of sales that you generate in a given month is between so and so number to so and so number, then what we will do is we will pay you a certain type of commission on the sale. If that number goes up, then we will pay you another amount on the sale. So I'll give you an example. They'll tell their affiliate that if you give us between 1 to 10 sales, we will pay you 10% on that sale. Okay, for every sale that has come through, if it is between 1 and 10 in a particular month, then we will pay you 10% of whatever the sale amount is. If you give us between 11 to 20 sales in that same month, then instead of 10%, we will now pay you 15% on that sale amount for every sale that you've bought through. Guys, did you all understand this, or do you all have any questions? Can you just tell me if you all have understood this? Perfect, perfect. Guys, it's basically called having a tier-based commission structure, right? Let me just show you all how a tier-based commission structure works. Let me just give you all an idea about this, right? So I'm opening up another website. This is a B2B based site. This is the same company that I'd worked for previously before starting up my own thing. So let me just show you how their affiliate commission structure is. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks, right? So if anyone's interested in signing up, they fill in their details over here and they can click on sign up. Here is the commission structure, guys. So like I mentioned, it's tier based. You can have it tier based this way, where if you bring in between 1 to 5 sales, 2,000 rupees per conversion. Conversion basically meaning sale. If it's 6 to 10 sales, then 2,500 rupees per conversion. And similarly, as the number of sales keep increasing, the amount that you're paying out per sale also keeps increasing. So this way, what you can do is you can always keep it a lot more exciting for your users. What a Jabong also does is they offer a separate commission for sales that have come through a user using a coupon, and a separate commission for a user coming through without using a coupon. Because obviously when you're using a coupon, what is happening is the margin that the brand is making on the product obviously goes down. So then in this case, the commission also that is paid out is reduced as compared to a sale that's come in without using a coupon. I'm sure you all understand that already. So guys, let me show you all one more example. I want to show you all one more example, because understand this, when you are running a commission structure, it's not necessary to be rigid. You can always experiment with different type of methods and models. So there's another website which they do a mix of commission structures. They do a CPL, that's a per lead, and a per sale campaign. Let me just show you this as well. Guys, I'm not sure how many of you all may have heard of Zeppo. Zeppo is a website which you all can use to create your own online e-commerce, your entire e-commerce store. So if in case any of you all are interested in setting up your own online store, or if you're looking at setting up any type of e-commerce website, business, then Zeppo is a website where you all can go to get the products that you require to be able to set it up immediately. Right? So this is what they do. Now let me just give you all an idea of how their affiliate program works. So guys, if you are looking out for an affiliate program at any brand, understand this. It will either be called a affiliate program or it will be called a partner program. So in this case, where it's mentioned partner with us, you see guys over here also, like I said, it's extremely important that you keep it very simple for an affiliate to understand how they can get started with you. So over here, what they've mentioned is you register with them, you refer users to them, you earn your commission, right? So, and what they've done is, guys, they've also made it very simple for a affiliate to understand what type of people would they like to have as affiliates on their system. So they say that if you're a web developer, if you're a blogger, if you're an e-commerce consultant, or if you're a student, you can come get started with us and start earning commissions, right? So guys, have a look at this. This is what they're offering. 50% on every sale that happens. Or what they can do is, if you've given them a lead, and if that person has not converted into a sale, you'll be receiving 100 rupees per lead that's getting generated. So this way, guys, you can even do a mix of your campaign that you're running. You can do a CPS, or you can do a CPL, or what you can do is you can do a CPS and a CPL campaign. So depending on what works well for your business and what you're sure will entice an affiliate to actually come to your website and promote you, would work well for them. So you have to experiment with different models. Guys, so far have you all understood this much, guys? Any questions so far? Any questions that you all have, guys? Okay. guys, what I want to do right now is I want to share a link with you all. Now, for some reason, first of all, let me see if it works. Actually, if it works on if I play it on my computer. I have a feeling, guys, you all might not be able to hear the sound. You all tell me if you can actually hear the sound, guys. Just one moment. If not, if you all can't hear this, then what I'll do is I'll share the link with you all and I'll ask you all to take a look at it. Just one moment, guys. I'm waiting for this to just download correctly. Okay, guys, can you all tell me if you all can hear the sound to this video? Can you all hear the sound, guys? Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the link, I'm going to share it with all of you all right now. Please just take a look at this video, and then what we'll do is we'll get back to stuff, right? What this video does is it summarizes all the important stuff that we just discussed about affiliate marketing. There's a lot more that we're going to be talking about, but I want you all to just go through this so that you'll understand everything that we just discussed about. So then if you'll have any questions, we can discuss them. Guys, can you all just confirm if you all have got the link? Just confirm if you all have got the link. Great. Okay. Guys, can you all just have a look at this, please? And then what we'll do is we'll continue. So I'm guessing, is it safe to say, guys, that you all are done? So I've got Rikin and Jagdish who've mentioned that they've done. What about the others, guys? Are you all done watching the video? Just waiting for everyone to get done. Just one more minute, guys. Let's just wait for the others as well. Okay, guys. It seems like a majority of you all are done, right? Do you all have any questions, guys, or was the video self-explanatory? Did you all understand everything that was mentioned in the video, guys? Or are there any questions? Waiting for you all, guys. Were there any questions that you all have after watching that video? Guys, can you all hear me? Am I audible, guys? Okay, great. So I'm assuming that this was simple for you all to understand. Okay, so Jagdish has asked a good question. Jagdish has asked me whether disclaimers are necessary in affiliate sites. So to be very honest, Jagdish, you know, now affiliate marketing is a very mature concept in the US and in the UK. It's something that is still nascent in India, but it's obviously growing. I mean, if I had to give you all statistics right now, in terms of India, affiliate marketing is a $3 billion market. E-commerce as an industry is a $17 billion industry, and it's even growing right now, obviously, right? So the numbers that I might be also quoting right now could be about 6 months, 7, 8 months old. So with reference to affiliate marketing in India, the 17 billion e-commerce market, affiliate marketing is contributing to about 10 to 15% of that. Yet, with all of that, again, still affiliate marketing in India is still growing. In the US, by the way, what happens is it's very mature, and there are very strict rules about how an affiliate operates. So yes, Jagdish, it's very important in the US for an affiliate to clearly mention over there that they're receiving a commission for all the recommendations that they are making. So that when a user is actually reviewing the website and has to make a decision of whether they have to make a purchase of whatever recommendation the affiliate has made, they should know that the affiliate is getting incentivized for that. In India, there are no strict rules that are asked to be maintained by affiliates, but I'm guessing that should come in slowly. Any other questions, guys, that you all have? Any other questions? Okay, so I'm assuming then, guys, that you all have understood how this works, right? So I have a simple question for you all, guys, now. Can you all tell me, guys, if in case now these examples that we saw right now, we saw how there was a review website that is an affiliate. We saw how there's a comparison website which is an affiliate, and how they promote products on their website, and there a user then goes from that affiliate's website to the brand's website, and when they finally make a purchase, then in this case, what will happen is the brand pays out a commission to the affiliate. Guys, my question to y'all is, if y'all guys had to now become an affiliate, would it be possible for y'all guys? Because right now, first question to y'all guys, how many of y'all actually have a website or a blog that y'all are using? Do any of y'all have a website or a blog that y'all are using, guys? If y'all don't have your own website or blog, can you just type no in chat? Okay. Guys, I see a majority of y'all are saying no. Okay. Rikin has mentioned that there's an ad agency website. Jagdish has mentioned he has a photo blog. Okay, guys, so a majority of y'all don't have your own website. So quick question to y'all guys. So if in case y'all wanted to now be affiliates of a Flipkart or affiliates of an Amazon, do you think it would be possible for y'all to do that? Do y'all have, because one thing we've realized is you need to be able to have a medium where y'all can display some type of content, promote some type of product or service so that your users get to know about it. So in this case, guys, since a majority of y'all have mentioned that y'all don't have your own website, and some of the others have mentioned that they have some of their own business websites, then in this case, guys, if y'all had to promote some products, would y'all be able to do it? Would y'all be able to do it? Or do y'all know of any method that maybe y'all could use to be affiliates of a particular business? Okay. Rikin has mentioned no. Guys, any ideas, any suggestions that come to mind, guys, that if in case you don't have a website and if you are still eager to become an affiliate, then can you all think of any method that you all can use to be able to promote stuff? Let me give you all an example, guys. Instead of just randomly taking this, let's just take an example. In this case, okay. So I've seen Rikin has mentioned blog. Maybe starting up a blog could work out. Sahib has mentioned what you could do is send out emails. Okay. So guys, let's just touch on these things, but let's take a proper concrete example, right? In this case, let's just assume, guys, we are very avid book readers. We really like reading fictional books, okay? And obviously fictional is something that, yeah, a lot of people don't read books, but fictional is something that's easy for people to understand, right? Management could be very niche, cookery could be very niche, but fiction is something that a lot of people would still not have a problem reading. So in this case, let's just say we've come across a book on Amazon, we made that purchase, we read about the book, we really liked it. Now what we want to do is we want to promote this book to other people, okay? And promote Amazon as the brand through which the users can actually purchase the book from, so that we can also make some money on it, right? And now let's just look at how we can actually do that. Rikin has mentioned, how about starting a blog? Guys, my problem with starting up, there's no problem. Actually, there's no issues in setting up a blog. The only bigger problem with that is that you will have to give it some time, because blogs always depend on content. And content, honestly speaking, is something that's tough. You need to have that type of perseverance to always keep coming out with new content, say at least thrice in a week, to be able to get your blog to rank in search engines. And from there, people getting to know about your website, visiting your website, and then finally doing what you're asking them to do. That, guys, in itself may take about 6 months, honestly speaking, for your website to get ranked, because that's how long SEO takes for any type of website. Sahib has mentioned, why not look at emails? If you do have a good email list, guys, you can always look at making an entire file of all those email addresses, and then you can look at shooting out emails to that entire list, right? But most of the times, guys, what happens is you would not have that type of list. It has to be an exhaustive list about, say, 500 to 1,000 people. And most of the times, let's just say that entire list, even if you manage to make it through your social channels or through your LinkedIn channels, people might not be in direct touch with you. So when they're receiving a mail from you, it may come across as a very spam-based mail. So can you all think of any other option which is there? Any other option? Blog was a good option, but I've told you all how it could take time. It requires a lot more dedication and determination to be able to make that. Emails are a good option to use, but it will take you time to be able to build that email list, and sometimes it could be considered spammy. Any other option that comes to mind, guys? Again, the idea that you'll need to have in mind is a medium which will allow you to reach out to a majority of people that are already existing on that medium and are somehow connected to you and listen to what you say. So Sahib has mentioned what you can do is say maybe set up a Facebook page. Guys, as simple as that. You already have your own social channels. Okay, you already have your own social channels. Facebook is something that a majority of us are already available on, and most of the times we are at least connected with a minimum of 500 people. I'm assuming so, right? You have a minimum 500 people who are connected with you on. Now in this case, guys, all you need to do is kind of leverage on your own social channel, where if you really like a book that you've come across, then in this case what will happen is you put up a small post about the book that you've read, okay, and then you promote it out to people such that what will happen is when people look at your post and when they find it interesting and click on it and then go to Amazon's website and make a purchase, then guys, in this case what will happen is you will receive a commission for it. I will show you how the entire tracking thing works, guys, because that is extremely important. But please understand this, if y'all, in case y'all are also interested in becoming affiliates, then y'all can actually do this. Y'all can go ahead, sign up for an affiliate account, and then what y'all can do is y'all can immediately start promoting products. Guys, I want you all to actually take a look at how this is done. Oh, Jagdish, by the way, has mentioned that you can create a website and promote it. Jagdish, absolutely not a problem, but honestly speaking, when you're trying to do something new, the best thing first for you to do is start it up in the most simplest and quickest way possible. You should be able to experiment and see what you're doing, whether it makes sense, whether it's working out, because what could happen is you might think of promoting books, okay, because you think that you really like reading books and that you can actually talk a lot about books and that you'll be able to reach out to audiences and promote it well. But then when you build a website and you start putting down content, and then let's say after about 2 or 3 months you realize things are not working out, then you'll again have to go back and change things. In that case, the best thing to do is start off immediately in the most smallest way possible, use a social channel, test and see what people say about the way you're promoting books. If it's working out, then go ahead and invest your time in having to build a website. I think that's the best way possible, right? So guys, let me just take an example right now of what you all can do is, guys, can you all please go on flipkart.com? Can you all go on flipkart.com on your computer screens? And after you all are there, after going on Flipkart, let me show you on my screen as well. Okay. After you all have gone on Flipkart, guys, just Control F affiliates. Okay. Control F affiliate program. After you all have done that, guys, you all will see on that page, it will be written there, join now for free. Guys, can you all click on join now for free and sign up for an account over there? Please just sign up for an account and just tell me, guys, once you all are done signing up for an account. Guys, once you all are done signing up for an account, can one of you all just give me your credentials so that I can just log in, so that I can use that to be able to log into the account, and then I'll show you all what's important there. I hope you all have got to the page. You just need to go to flipkart.com, Control F affiliate program, click on the link, and then you'll see a yellow color button which says join now for free. Click on that and register for an affiliate account there. Okay, can you hear me now? I'm guessing you can hear me now, Rikin. So what I've mentioned is, guys, even I am performing the steps required to be able to sign up. Guys, if in case, so you all can view this if in case you all have any doubts, but I would suggest you all also set up your own affiliate account. And if you all are already doing it, then just tell me once you all are done. Guys, you all will receive an activation link from Flipkart. After you all have signed up, you all will receive an activation link as well. You just need to click on the activation link for your affiliate account to actually get approved. Yes, Jagdish has mentioned that it's asking to fill some more details. You'll have to fill that up. You'll have to fill that up, Jagdish. It's not essential that, so wherever places where it's asking you to fill in details about a website, you don't have to put in anything legitimate. You can even put in a website like www.anything.com. Just put in anything over there, it will still take it ahead. But go ahead and create the account for yourselves. Okay, guys. You know what I would suggest is I will be showing you all another example of how this entire thing works. So that will be a lot more easier for you all to show, for me to show it to you all. So guys, what I would suggest is you'll actually perform all of this later on, because this might just take some time before you'll actually enter website details, payment details, account settings. Guys, just take a look at this. Once you'll have filled in all of this, guys, all you need to do is from this left-hand side margin, there's an affiliate tools section over here. All you need to do is click on affiliate tools and you go to product links and banners. When you click on product links and banners, it will then ask you which product are you keen on promoting. From there, what you can do is you can select any product. Like you remember how we saw over here when we had gone on their main Flipkart page, you saw the list of all the categories and the commissions that they're willing to pay for it. The same way over here, they will have a list of all the categories which are available. When you click on product links and banners, you select the category of product that you want to promote. It will show you. So for example, if let's just say you select books, when you select books, it will show you a list of all the books that you can pick and promote. Then what you do is if you select a specific book, it will give you the link which you can use to promote that book. So once you start using that link and you post it up either on your Facebook page, or if you put it up in an email, when you're sending out in an email, if you just hyperlink the link over there in text, then in that case, when someone clicks on all of these links, you will be aware of it through this panel over here. I hope you all guys understood. Guys, did you all understand this part? Only thing is why I would suggest you all do this later is because I'm sure this is going to take some time. But then after you all have got this done, just click on product links and banners and you all will be able to get your information. Is that fine with you all guys? Can you all do this later? Because what I will be doing is I will actually be showing you all another control panel of an affiliate network so that you'll actually understand how the entire thing works. Oh, Rikin, it's perfectly fine if you put in any website. There's absolutely no problem. Even if you don't have a website, even if you put in something like www.anything.com, where you literally type in ANYTHING, I don't see how that will be a problem, because they're not going to be going through whatever you're putting in. They just accept the application. Okay, guys, so I would recommend that you all do this later on. I will show you all another example, where it will be easier for you all to understand how this works. But guys, another really important part which just came up because of what I was just explaining to you all. Flipkart right now, when a user signs up for an affiliate account with them, they don't screen the form of the applicant who's coming and signing up as an affiliate with them. Now guys, this is not it's not a very, very good practice. It's always important, honestly speaking, that when an affiliate is coming and promoting your business, you should ideally know what type of an affiliate is coming and promoting your business. It's extremely important because, guys, your page rank, your SEO value, all depends on the type of people that are promoting you. Because see, understand this, an entire affiliate promoting you is a link which is coming from the affiliate's website to your website. You remember how we discussed how we saw this thing in Price Baba, where there's a link over there, a user clicks on that link and from there goes to Snapdeal. That's how affiliates normally promote a brand. They put a link of the brand on their website and from there the user moves from their website to the brand's website. Guys, in this case, it's extremely important for a brand to know what type of an affiliate is actually promoting their website, because it is a backlink which is coming from the affiliate's website to the brand's website. If the backlink is not if that backlink is not coming from a relevant website, guys, in this case, then SEO, when it comes to your SEO, Google will penalize both the websites because of a poor quality backlink that's coming. So if I have to give you an example right now, let's just say if there was a website which was talking about sports shoes, specifically about sports shoes, and that website was giving a link out to a hotel booking website where you could actually book a hotel room. Now in this case, the link is going from a website which only talks about shoes to a website which allows you to book a hotel room online. Guys, in this case, when a Google does a crawl to be able to figure out the quality of the backlink, it will realize that there's no relevancy between these two websites, and they penalize both the websites in question because of the non-relevancy which is there. So this is something which is extremely important, guys, when you all are signing up affiliates on your system. You need to know what type of affiliates are promoting your website. I hope that makes sense, guys. Any questions so far? Did you all understand this? Perfect. Okay. Okay. Guys, so what we'll do right now is we'll touch on one more part, post which we'll take a short break, right? I'm guessing you all guys might also want to take a small break. So what we'll do is I'll just explain another more important part which talks about how do businesses track the performance that's coming in through their affiliates, right? So guys, okay, Dolly has shared a link with me. Okay, let me just quickly open it and see what is it that she's given. Just 1 second, guys. Let me just check. Okay. So Dolly mentioned she had sent the link by mistake. I thought that was something she wanted us to look at. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do right now. Okay, Dolly has shared. Okay, one more. Wait, just one moment, guys. One moment. Let me just have a look at the link that's being shared. Dolly, any specific reason why you're sharing these links? I just wanted to confirm what exactly is. Do you have a question? Okay, what we'll do, Dolly, is let's just keep the questions towards the end, okay? Because I'm assuming that this question is more specific to your business. So what we'll do is let's pick up this question towards the end of the lecture, so that it's in the best interest of time, so that it gets done for everyone, right? So then what we'll do is we'll pick up your questions there towards the end. Okay, guys, now what I want to do is I actually want to take you all through how the entire tracking part works. So just one moment. Okay, guys, can you just confirm if you all can see my computer screen? I have opened up a notepad. Can you just tell me if you all can see this? Okay. Guys, now let me just take you all through how the entire tracking part works in affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, so now, like we've just discussed this entire time, that what we discussed is essentially when an affiliate is promoting a brand, what they're doing is they're sending out a link which is going from their website to the brand's website, right? This is everything that we discussed. So let's just say, guys, in this case, if I was an affiliate, okay, if I'm an affiliate, and in this case, if I had to promote a Flipkart, then on my website, or for that matter, if I'm promoting Flipkart on a social channel, on a social website, or for that matter, let's just say if I was sending out emails to a lot of people promoting Flipkart, then the link that I will be sending out the users to would be a flipkart.com. Do you think the link that I will be sending out my users to, will it be a simple flipkart.com, guys? I want to get your opinion on this, guys. If I am promoting a Flipkart, okay, would I be using the simple link flipkart.com? Okay, so Rikin has mentioned the specific product. Now, okay, so let's Jagdish has also mentioned specific link to the product. Fine, let's take another example. Let's just say, guys, if I am more specifically, let's just say if I'm promoting home decor, right? Some type of furniture. So in this case, let's just say my link is something like this. So guys, do you think that if I was to promote furniture now, more specifically, if I had to promote the furniture of Flipkart on my website, do you feel like this is how my link would look? Okay, Jagdish has mentioned some unique code of the affiliate should be included in the link. Absolutely, guys. That is exactly what needs to be there. Because you need to understand, guys, now what happens is when an affiliate is promoting a brand, the brand needs to very specifically know which was that affiliate that had actually promoted products off their website, right? And the only way they'll be able to uniquely identify this if there's some type of unique parameter that is getting passed in the URL. So as Jagdish rightly said, there needs to be some type of unique code that's getting passed in the URL. So normally, guys, in this case, let me just show you how the links would look if an affiliate was promoting Flipkart, right? So this is normally how it would look. Okay, where in this case, guys, this would be the unique code that would be able to track that affiliate's actions on the website. For example, now if this is one website, this is, I'm sorry, if this was one affiliate that was promoting Flipkart, this is how it would look. If there was another affiliate promoting Flipkart, let me show you, give you another example. If this was affiliate 2, then this is how you would identify it. One affiliate would be 4321, the other affiliate would be 1234. Right, guys, as simple as that. Even in this case, if I was doing some type of deep linking, guys, deep linking is essentially when instead of sending the user to the home page, I'm actually sending the user to a specific page on that brand's website, right? So in this case, even if I had to send the user to this specific page, then what I would do is I would just include my tracking code over here, which would come like this. As simple as that, guys. So Flipkart.com, the product, the furniture, the category of the product, and tracking equals to 4321. Guys, this has to always be there. This piece of code has to always be there when you are actually promoting a brand. Sahib has asked me, guys, how do we get the tracking code? Sahib, it's as simple as you just signing up with the merchant for an affiliate account, and when you sign up for that account, you get a tracking code along with it. Guys, let me show you all. I'll give you all an example right now. I'll give you all an example. One moment. Let me. You all can, guys, can you all just confirm one more time if you all can see my screen? I would like to, then I'll show you all how the tracking code and stuff works. Can you all just confirm if you can see my screen? Great. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, what I'm doing is I'm opening up a website called 112.com. 112 is a website that deals with offering web hosting and domain names, right? So let me take an example of what they offer. Now, guys, what I'm doing right now is, first of all, guys, you'll need to understand this. There is a tracking system which is available for the brand as well as the affiliate to be able to track all the transactions that are happening between an affiliate and a brand. So a brand will get a separate master control panel and an affiliate will get their affiliate control panel. So guys, if I had to give you all an example, let's just say if I was the brand and if you all guys are the affiliates, then guys, in this case, what would happen is I would have a master control panel through which I will be able to understand how much of performance you all guys are delivering to me. Whether it be the traffic, whether it be the sale, whether it be the commissions that I need to pay out to you, I will have a master control panel to determine all of this. You guys, on the other hand, will have a simple affiliate panel through which you all will be only able to see the performance that only you are delivering to me. As simple as that, right? Obviously. Now, in this case, guys, what I'm doing is I'm signing up for an affiliate panel with 112.com. So let me just show you all how this works now. Right, so I'm clicking. You guys, I'm sure you all will wait. Let me just show you all this. Have a look at their commission structure. This is also a tier-based commission structure. So for if you're bringing in 1 to 19 sales in the month, you get $75 for each sale. If it's 20 to 50 monthly sales, then it's $100 per sale. So this is how it works, right, for them. Now let me click on sign up, and what I'll do is I'll create an account and show you all how this works. Okay, great. Guys, so what I've done right now is I've gone ahead and I've created an affiliate account for myself. So basically, an affiliate account, how's this going to help me is I can actually promote 112 right now, right? So let me just show you all, if I had to go about doing this, what would happen. Guys, like I told you all had the question, right? Sahib had this question, how do we get the tracking code? So guys, as soon as you sign up for an affiliate account, you get the tracking code within the panel itself. It tells you exactly what's the link you need to use to promote it, and what's your tracking or what's your unique ID while you're promoting that particular brand, right? So this is the unique ID that's available. Now guys, let me just show you all the panel. Let me just show you all the basic stuff within the panel. What it does is it gives you data on the total number of transactions that you've generated. That is the total number of sales, the total amount of commissions that you're earning through it. Okay, what is the total amount of traffic that you're sending? How many visitors, how many unique visitors, what are the total sales? So by visitors, guys, I'm sure you'll understand this. It's a total number of traffic. It's the total number of traffic that you're sending to a particular website, and unique visitors is when that visitor, the first time that visitor lands on the website. So just to give you an example, guys, if I had to click on an affiliate link for the first time, what it would do is it would show the unique visitors as 1, and this one also would be 1 because this is total visitors. So obviously total visitors are 1, out of which unique visits is 1. But if me as the same user, if I had to click on that link one more time, what it would do is unique visitors would be 1 and my total visitor count would be 2. So guys, what I will do is, let me just show you how this panel works, but I'll only be able to show you till the point of traffic, because for you all to actually see this, a sale will need to be done, right? So guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to be sharing this link with y'all. What I want y'all to do is, I want y'all to just click on the link or just take the link and open it up in your browser. Okay guys, after y'all have done that, what we'll do is we'll just refresh this panel and see if the numbers have changed. So here you go, I'm sending the link to all of you all. So guys, take this as an example where I'm an affiliate. I took my link and I promoted 11 tools hosting packages to y'all guys. Now y'all found it interesting. Y'all clicked on the link. Just tell me when, just tell me guys after y'all are done clicking on the link. Can you tell me once y'all are done clicking on the link? Perfect, okay. Perfect, so I've seen a bunch of you all have clicked on the link. Okay, guys, now take a look at this. Now that the link has been clicked, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh my screen. Now, I'm not very sure of how many of you all have clicked here, but what you all will see is this count will actually, this count over here that we were looking at, this should start moving up, right? So, guys, take a look at this. So 4 of you all guys have obviously clicked on the link. So you'll see that the unique visitor count is 4 and the total visitor count is also 4. As simple as that, guys. So now what would happen is, if in case you all had to further start interacting with the link, then it would only be the visitor count that will keep increasing. Guys, you need to understand this. This tracking always, this right now is working on cookies. So based on your cookies right now, it's able to determine whether you're a unique visitor or whether you're a repeat visitor, guys. So this is how tracking works. You will have a merchant will have their own control panel, an affiliate will have their own control panel, and when the affiliate logs into their account, they will have a link which they can use to promote the brand. And once they start promoting the brand, guys, if anything has come through, whether it be a transaction or traffic, it will get recorded in their panel. Okay, so guys, Rikin has asked me a question. Rikin has asked a question saying, if you would like to promote this website on your FB, how will you do it? Rikin, as simple as what you do is you'll take this link, okay, and what you can do is, let me just show you all this. What you all can do is, you will write some stuff about hosting. I'm just writing rubbish stuff, okay guys? You'll put in some content about hosting, and then what you'll say is to check out more details about this hosting, just click on this link. As simple as that. Now in this case, guys, when someone clicks on this link, it will start getting tracked. I hope that answers your question, Rikin. Sahib has asked me, guys, Sahib has asked me, how can we put a tracking code in any product or services link? Sahib, here all you can, first you have to, it's very important for you to first sign up for an affiliate account under that company. So for example, right now what we did was we signed up for an affiliate account with 11.2, right? And this is how we got this link. Now, let me tell you, if it is right now what happened was we've got a link which goes to the home page. Let's assume if we wanted to promote any other product on that website, right? So in this case, let me just show you all what would happen. So in this case, Sahib, if we had to promote a specific product on this page. So for example, let's just say we were interested in promoting shared hosting. Okay. Now guys, I'm sure you all can see the link is obviously not the home page, it's a deep link page. So Sahib, in this case, what will happen is you just put this here and you take this and you put this here. That's it. And you can now start tracking. You can now start tracking the traffic that's coming for this as well. The very important thing, guys, is that you first need to have an affiliate account, because once you have an affiliate account, you'll have a unique ID associated with your account, which you can then use to start tracking. I hope that makes sense to you all, guys. I'm sure you all guys would have understood that. You'll have already told me that you'll have understood this. Great. So guys, let's do this. Let's take a short break right now. Is it fine? Can we go on? Can we take a small break? Okay, okay, guys. So let's take a short break. Is 10 minutes fine with you all, guys? Let's take a quick 10-minute break. So it's 11:40 right now, but 11:50. Let's get back and we'll continue. We can start touching on affiliate networks then. Okay, guys. So a 10-minute break and we'll be back.